नमस्कार, डेली पॉजिटिविटी में आपका स्वागत है। 13th November 2020 Friday. Today is Dhanteras. In this video, I will be sharing the Muhurat at which you should be performing the Dhanteras Puja and the Muhurat at which you should start your Havan at home. I will also be sharing the significance of Dhanteras, and I will be also sharing the science behind the Dhanteras lighting of diya and bursting of crackers. So do watch till end of the video. If you have not liked the video, like it right now, and also subscribe the video so that tomorrow I will be sharing about Diwali Puja and the significance of Diwali in the scientific way. After you subscribe, click the bell icon so that you get the notification also. And please share this with at least 4 people today. This year, the Trayodashi Tithi of Krishna Paksha of Kartik month starts on Thursday, November 12, 9:30 p.m. to 13th November. But the Dhanteras will be on 13th November because that is the Trayodashi as per the lunar date. This time there is a 30 minutes auspicious time to worship Dhanteras, which will be from 5:28 p.m. to 5:59 p.m. on 13th November, which is Friday. Let us now understand the significance of Dhanteras. On this day, Dhanvantari, who is also worshipped on the occasion of Dhanteras, is considered the god of Ayurveda, the god who imparted the wisdom of Ayurveda for the betterment of mankind, to get rid of all the diseases and sufferings due to diseases. Dhanteras is also celebrated as National Ayurveda Day. Dhanteras is worship of Lord Dhanvantari, who according to Hindus emerged during Samudra Manthan holding a kalash full of Amrit, which was actually an Ayurvedic herbal mix bestowing immortality in one hand and a sacred book or a text of Ayurveda in the other hand. He is considered to be the Vaidyas of gods. Astronomically, if you see, sun and moon both are in the darkest phase, the chances of getting diseases due to various organisms and microbes becomes very high. And that is when our ancestors came out with this wonderful ritual to celebrate Dhanteras or Trayodashi, to acknowledge Ayurveda, Ayurvedic medicines and Ayurvedic doctors who are going to treat you for the diseases which will happen after this period of Trayodashi, in order to kill the maximum microbes and bacteria. They also came up with Diwali, which is lighting inside of the house and exterior of the house to kill the germs. Inside the house, they want us to light ghee ka diya. When you light the ghee ka diya, you need to close all the windows and doors so that the vapors and fumes which is arising from the diya will kill all the germs inside the house. Outside the house, they wanted us to use mustard oil. Traditionally, mustard oil is known to kill lot of other bacteria which are found externally and yet provide the carbon dioxide which is required by the plants. This period of lighting the ghee ka diya and the mustard oil diya is the time when you should actually burst crackers. So the three things must coincide: inside the house, outside the house, and also via crackers with the help of sound and smoke. The pollution created by the crackers is countered by the desi ghee burnt in the house. If you want to perform Havan at home tomorrow, it's a very auspicious time. You could watch the next video on performing Havan at home. धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ हो. वंदे मातरम. भारत माता की जय.